Hello everybody, welcome to Number 1 Doctor YouTube channel. Today, we will talk about portal system of veins. Drains blood to liver from abdominal part of alimentary canal, excluding anus, spleen, pancreas, gallbladder and ducts. Distal tributaries correspond to and accompany the branches of the celiac, superior and inferior mesenteric arteries, portal vein composed of forms behind pancreas. Splenic vein plus inferior mesenteric vein or superior mesenteric vein. Porto-systemic anastomosis occurs if blockage prehepatic, hepatic or posthepatic esophagus. Left gastric vein. Agas system. Superior rectal branch of inferior mesenteric vein. Inferior rectal veins draining into iliac vein, portal tributaries of mesentery and mesocolon. Retroperitoneal veins communicating with renal, lumbar and phrenic veins, portal branches of liver veins of abdominal wall, portal branches of liver veins of diaphragm.